Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the update log in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, there is a new feature which allows us to view the update log. So if you want to see the update log, you just need to click on this watch icon on the top right corner of the screen, and this is the update log. So now there is a new item called Strawberry Sniper, and from the information that I got, you can use it to attack or to shoot another player who tries to steal your fruits. And if you want to purchase it, you can go to the gear shop, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 13 million shekels right here. And this item is permanent. Oh, someone is stealing from me. No problem. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the sniper. You can scroll down here and you will see Strawberry Sniper, this one, and it costs 13 million shekels. You can only purchase it once and you will own the item permanently. Okay guys, and that's all about the update log in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.